Wildfires. They sweep across rural areas, turning forests and grasslands into an uncontrolled and destructive inferno. If wildfires reach homes or urban areas, they can be very damaging indeed, threatening lives and property. The smoke plumes from large fires can extend for hundreds of kilometres, with the pollution affecting the health of millions of people. And on a global scale, greenhouse gas emissions from wildfires can make climate change worse.
So why do wildfires occur? We've come to the London School of Economics to find out. Wildfires occur whenever we find three key components.
The first component is fuel for the fire. Look at all this vegetation, leaf litter, shrubs, even the soil. This is all potential fuel for a wildfire. But as we can see here, it won't burn properly unless it is dry. And so the second component is climate and the recent weather.
The climate has to be warm enough and wet enough that this vegetation can grow.
But then we need a dry summer season with a stretch of warm weather to dry out the vegetation and make it flammable.
Windy weather is important too, to fan the flames and spread the fire.
For example, the devastating Camp wildfire in California in 2018 was driven by gale force winds and spread at more than 30 kilometers per hour, outpacing anyone attempting to flee. The third component is this, of course, a source of ignition.
Wildfires can occur as completely natural processes. For hundreds of millions of years, lightning and hot volcanic material have been starting wildfires in nature.
Today, just 10% of wildfires are started naturally. The rest are caused by human activity. Some are started to clear land for agriculture. Others are accidental, caused by a dropped cigarette, a campfire or fireworks. Others are malicious, caused by arson. If any one of these three key components is missing, a wildfire cannot occur.
We find this combination of components creating wildfires right across the planet. From the bushfires of Australasia, agricultural forest and tundra fires in Asia, savanna fires which sweep north and south across Africa every year, and deforestation and grassland fires in South America and North America. In fact, the only places where we do not find wildfire are places without vegetation, like ice sheets and deserts. These places lack the fuel component.
And places where it is too wet, such as intact rainforests, which are naturally fire resistant due to their high moisture levels. These places lack the climate component. Today, many of these naturally fire resistant ecosystems, such as the Amazon rainforest and peat swamp forests of Southeast Asia, are being disturbed by human activities, like deforestation and drainage. This reduces their natural fire resistance, creating more flammable environments.
So wherever we find fuel, dry weather and a source of ignition, we will always find wildfires, a potentially destructive hazard.